In this video, we will go through 5 basic questions and its answers to get better understanding of power quality and harmonics related issues. Do you think harmonic distortion is caused by turning on power factor correction capacitors? Power factor correction capacitors do not cause harmonic distortion, but can worsen harmonic conditions due to resonance. Do you think voltage sags due to faults on the electric utility system cannot be reduced in number or severity? The answer is, online power quality monitoring system can uncover many events that are avoidable. Do you think derating a standard transformer is the recommended solution for high harmonic loads? Actually no, derating of transformer is not the solution. The best solution to excessive transformer heating is to replace the standard transformer with a K-rated transformer properly sized for the harmonic load. Do you think a load with 80% current THD can produce less than 5% voltage THD? Yes, this is true. The amount of voltage total harmonic distortion is dependent on the impedance of the system. Do you think 6% voltage distortion and 6% current distortion have the same adverse effects on an AC power system? False. 6% voltage distortion on a general use bus will likely cause equipment misoperation and other problems, while a 6% current distortion may not.